Hey everyone, how you guys doing? We have a new unboxing here today. Let's take a look at this Reflex sight. It is actually called the EZShoot Rechargeable Reflex Co-Witness sight. So let's take a look at what's inside. You have your user manual here. Seems pretty decent and easy to read. You have two Allen wrenches here, different sizes. And you got extra charger port plugs, cleaning cloth. Always use that. There's your USB charging cord. We'll take this plastic off. Take the anti-drying stuff. So here we go. It's a nice little sight. It's got your right there on the top, it's got your elevation. On the left side, it's got your windage, and you can see the name EZShoot. And it's got nice clear glass. Looking through it, it's got a slight blue tint to it, but I'm good with that. It's got a plus and minus button here. That's where you turn it on. To turn it on, you'll just hit the plus button, and it is on. One thing I did like about this sight, on the back of it here, right at the bottom, it's got a switch for 3 positions. You have the cross with the dot in the middle. You go to the next one over. You have a circle with a dot. And then you go to the last setting, you have just a plain, looks to me about a 3 or smaller MOA dot, which is fine for me. I like the smaller ones, I don't like the bigger ones. But the way I see this one, it's also, actually has 4 settings. It has the circle with the crosshairs in it and the dot, kind of like another brand does. So there's actually 4 different settings on this. The one I like the best is the cross with the dot in the middle. I kind of like that one. So it's got some good settings to it. Turning it up for brightness, it's actually pretty good. Let's see if we can get a shot in here. You kind of see it. There's the cross. Let's see if we can see that one in there. There's the circle with the crosshairs and the dot. Here is the circle and the dot. There we go. And then the last one should be just the dot. There we go. It's about a 3 MOA, if not smaller. I actually like that. I am going to go with the cross with the dot. I kind of like that one. It seems well built. Like I said, the glass is clear, and it comes with that Picatinny rail, or the riser, I should say, on it. I'm going to try this on an AR next weekend to see how it takes the beating. I'm sure these are probably between the $40 to $60 range, but I kind of like it. It's got a pretty good, if I hold it out, it's got a pretty good vision of window in it. Pretty big, and it seems like it's well built. It's not thin, it's got some meat to it. And like I said, it's rechargeable, and we'll go from there. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go try it. I'm gonna run probably a couple hundred rounds through it next weekend, probably next Friday, and we'll see how it does. We'll take it out, zero it, and we'll put it through a couple of paces, and we'll do a part 2 to this. But if you're looking for one, I don't know where these are at. I'll research it a little bit. I believe it's on Amazon, and go look if you're looking for something in a budget-friendly deal. I do from time to time as well, so go try it. Again, it is the EZShoot Rechargeable Reflex sight. There you go. Looks like a beauty to me. So get you one. You guys take care, and if you have any questions on it, post below.